Hello! Welcome to the OAG RC.
And guess who's back?
The dog.
No.
The cat.
No.
Superman.
No.
Batman.
No.
Catwoman.
No.
Luke Skywalker.
Who's talking right now?
You.
Who am I? The Mini OAG!
Oh, of course. Sorry, I completely forgot for a minute there.
The Mini OAG is back on track.
Oh, who's this?
Derek.
Derek. Oh, do you know what Derek needs?
What?
Derek needs one of your stickers.
Oh, you do.
Derek needs a stick and Derek needs a Mini OAG sticker.
Yes, you do.
God, I almost forgot about that.
And we've already said to you, if you want one of my stickers, then you just have to get in contact with my dad, the OAG. We have thousands and hundreds of them.
We don't have thousands. We've got 50. Well, 48 now because we've already put one on the community.
And he put one on my water bottle.
I did. So actually, we're running out. Where are we going to put it?
I know.
Where?
Right there.
That's going to cover up the other decals. You all right with that?
No, I don't think so.
We could cut it up a bit. What do you
Yeah.
reckon?
Cut it up. Cut it up. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Up.
Was that your own song, or did you just steal that from somebody else?
Who said that?
Well, I did. But if you were stealing that song from somebody else, so we've got to watch out for the copyright infringements on YouTube.
No, it was from me.
Oh, you created that song yourself, did you?
I went, cut it up. Cut it up. Oh, you got to cut it up. Don't you know?
No, now we're entering into copyright
You got
territory.
to pump it up. Don't you know? Cut it up. You got to cut it up. Why are you cocking it up? Because it's not going to fit on all the other ones, is it?
No, that's right.
Dun. Just done a bit of carefuls. Oh no, it's in a square shape.
What's wrong with that?
Our funds can't have square shaped ones.
Dust off it. Dust off.
That's you. Don't you know? Dust it off.
What?
Dust it up.
Look at that.
Oh.
Mini OAG in the house. OMG, it's the OAG. Right. Do you remember why we're here?
No.
No.
I don't remember.
We are here because Jess
sent us a new servo.
Yeah, that's right, new servo.
A really, really, really super duper amazing fast one.
It is a super duper amazing and fast one. Jess, you said you wanted to see this going in here to give the holiday buggy, Derek, a massive advantage this season.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Because Mini OAG is desperate for Derek to win. So we are very fortunate, aren't we, that Jess sent something over for us. She sent this lovely servo because she's happy to try and support you in winning out on the Orchard Raceway.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Jess. Right.
I've even written a pink sticky note saying, thank you.
Thank you. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this bad boy up, which is very well sealed, actually.
We are so thankful.
We are so thankful. I'm going to open this up and we're going to take a look at what's inside the box.
The box. La box. La box. I'm excited.
So as usual, inside a servo box,
there would be the servo.
there is a servo and a servo horn. But what we're interested in is...
Beep, servo.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, OMG. Look at this one. Super.
So look, low profile,
The difference. That is so...
metal geared.
That is just a...
That's just the standard one.
Slow one,
Yeah.
like normal. And then this...
Super fast.
Wow. Super fast.
Super strength.
Boy, this one will make it go zoom, 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 zoom.
So this is
Barely be
0.9,
able to
so this
see
is going to be
it.
really fast, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this apart, we're going to put this servo in, and we're going to see how awesome it really is.
Even brighter than... Hello and welcome back.
It's pretty quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do we
was
do?
that?
Tell everyone what we did.
What we did was Daddy took out the old
Servo.
Yeah. And then centered the new one.
That's right, yeah.
And then he put it back all together again.
Yeah.
And then we had to test it, as you can see.
Do you know the other place we should test it?
outside.
Oh, do you reckon?
Right now.
Let's do it. Let's go and test it outside and we'll see if it goes and we'll come back to you in a minute.
Bye!
Wow, that was awesome, wasn't it?
Yes, I love you.
Do you think you got a chance of going up against this out on the Ultra Raceway this year?
Oh, I don't.
This is the TD2.
I don't know.
This is its main competitor. What do you think?
I really don't know.
You don't know, even though it just absolutely smashed it out there.
It is so fast, but I just don't know.
I think it all depends whether they can control it,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Now, we have had a bit of an accident, didn't we?
The bright light has decided to spin
Yeah.
around.
Because Daddy did a bit of roly-poly, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh, I might have just fixed it.
Well, I might have just fixed it, or maybe Daddy needs to rescrew it. One of the two.
Yeah.
Right, what do we say?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jess. You have really helped transform this from what is a standard DT02 to
It was
being
normal.
quite a high spec.
It was normally just like that.
Yeah, and now it's like
That's like,
it's like a rocket,
you
isn't
can
it?
barely even see it. It goes
Well,
up
let's
and
see
down.
if you're lucky enough to be leader on the OAG Ultra Raceway this year.
I think I'll have second or something like that.
Well, let's
I
see.
don't know.
Right, let's say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. See you soon.
Nice to see you.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.